Hello there guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Silla. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and also share this video. Stoan from the all popular group called BongoMuffins was dragged on Monday during the EFF's protest shutdown, you guys, where he tweeted to the EFF to F off, you guys. Now, you guys, not only was he dragged by Twitter trolls, but he was also called out by prominent celebrities for his disgusting behavior. To our surprise, his own daughter, who he made with Otandiswa Mazwai, called her father out through this tweet saying that man will embarrass you. Malaika Mazwai responded to one tweet who wrote that Tandisa Mazwai is trending because of her baby daddy. Umalaika then responded and said, "A man will embarrass you." Now, there you have it, guys. Please do share your thoughts down in the comment section below. Also, subscribe if you have not yet done so, because I will definitely see you on my next one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.